Class 7 NCERT Acid, Bases and Salts. Acids. In late 1800, Swedish scientist Svet Arrhenius proposed that water can dissolve many components by dissociating them into ions. He suggested that acids contain hydrogen that dissolves in water to give the positive hydrogen ions. All the properties of acids are due to the presence of these positively charged hydrogen ions. Depending on source, acids are classified as A. Mineral acid. These acids are prepared in labs. They are dangerous. For example, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and hydrochloric acid. They are also known as organic acids. Inorganic acids. B. Organic acid. Acids which occur naturally and are found in plants and animals are called organic acids. For example, citric acid, acetic acid, and lactic acid. Example: a bee's sting contains formic acid, which is an organic acid. Now I will tell you about some acid found in food materials. Lactic acid is found in milk and curd. Amino acid is found in proteins. Cyanic acid is found in tea. Acetic acid is found in vinegar. Malic acid is found in apple. Tartaric acid is found in tamarind and grapes. Citric acid is found in citrus fruits like lemon and orange. Carbonic acid is found in carbonated cold drinks. Now, acids can also be classified on basis of their strength. Like there are strong acids and weak acids. Strong acids are which dissociate completely in water and give a large number of hydrogen ions. They are strong acids. Example: sulfuric, hydrochloric, and nitric acid. Now the second one, which is weak acids. The acids which do not dissolve completely in the water and furnish small number of hydrogen ions are called weak acids. For example, acetic acid, carbonic acid, formic acid, and citric acid. Now some properties of acids. Acids are sour to taste. They are soluble in water. They have good conductor of electricity. Acids are generally colorless. They also contain blisters on the screen. If we put them on our screen, so they will form us a large blisters and they can destroy material like wood. They can burn things like wood, paper, cloth, iron, and aluminum. That is why they are stored in glass bottles. Now I'll tell you something about acid. We should not add water to acid for dilution. It may spill out and burn our skin. Instead of this, add acid very slowly to the water while constantly stirring the solution. मतलब उसे घुमाते हुए. Uses of acids. They are used in fire extinguishers and manufacturing fertilizers. They are used in batteries of cars, trucks, and inverters. They are used in making drugs, paints, dyes, detergent, and plastics. Textile and paper leather industries also use a large amount of acid for dyeing. Acids are used to remove salt deposits or scale from the steam boiler. This is this removing process of scales is known as descaling. They are widely used in purification of common salt. Acids are required in purification of noble metals like gold, silver. Vinegar is prepared from acetic acid solution in water, which is used in pickles, preservation of other foods. Acidic acid for is used for making baking powder also. Thank you. Now we'll jump on bases. Bases are just opposite of acids. They give negative hydroxide or hydrogen ions. Negative hydrogen ions. Some of common bases are given here. I'll tell you. Quicklime, which is said also like tuna, and that is calcium oxide. And if we add water into it, it is calcium hydroxide, also known as saked lime or lime water. Now, caustic soda. This is the soda which we wash our clothes. It is sodium hydroxide. Now, caustic potassium hydroxide. This is used in crackers which we burst. If that we mix in a water and put on our skin, so it must burn our skin. We should not do that. Now, milk of magnesia or antacid. That is magnesium hydroxide. Baking soda carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is used like baking soda in our kitchens. Now they are classified as strong bases and weak bases. So strong bases are which they dissolve completely in water. And for example, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. They can burn our skin. Now weak bases. They not dissolve completely in water. Example zinc hydroxide, copper hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. They will not burn our skin. It's easy. Properties of bases. They are bitter in taste. They have effect on different indicators. They turn red litmus blue, phenolphthalein to pink, methyl orange to yellow. They are slippery in touch, just like soap. They are good conductor of electricity. They are strong bases are highly corrosive and they can cause blisters when they come in contact with the skin. All bases are not soluble in water. The bases which are soluble in water are called alkalis. For example, sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, etc. All alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. This can come in 2 marks question. Okay. Bases that are insoluble in water are called alkaline bases. Okay. They are used in laboratories, industries, in agriculture. If the soil is too acidic, so we can add quicklime or the thing I told you, tuna, in it. It will be neutralized. If we are having acidity, so they can also neutralize the acidity. Now I am telling you some more bases use. They are used in whitewash. They are used in reduce of acidity of soil. Calcium hydroxide is used to prepare bleach powder, which is used for brightening of white clothes. Lime water is used as laboratory reagent. Bases are used for manufacturing soap, medicines, fiber, plaster, and mortar. They are mainly used to prepare washing soda and for softening hard water. They are used in paper making. They are used in making fertilizer, synthetic fibers. They are also used in cleaning agents and ink remover. They are, I told you, some bases are used as an antacid that relieve acidity. Now, I'll tell you how to use an indicator. Indicator. It's a substance which gives a specific result. It tells us that something is acidic or basic. If we dip a blue litmus paper in acid, it will turn red. And if we dip a red litmus paper in a base, it will turn blue. Oh, yay! So, litmus paper, if it is dipped in acid, so it will turn red if it is blue. And if it is red, so it will stay red only. And if it is base, so So in base, the red paper is dipped in base, it will turn blue. And if it is blue, we dip a blue paper, it will turn blue only. It will not change, it will remain blue. Now let's come on neutral substances. They are also called salts. See, neutral solids are sodium chloride, which is common salt we eat. Sugar we eat. We eat sugar na in kitchen, and also glucose. Neutral liquid. Water is neutral liquid. Kerosene is a neutral liquid. Mustard oil is a neutral liquid. Benzene is a neutral, and petrol is also neutral. Gases. Neutral gases are oxygen, nitrogen, and hydrogen. Yay! Salts. When we add a acid to a base, it forms salt and water. This process is known as neutralization. See, if I add hydrochloric acid to chloride, so it will form sodium. Sorry. If I add hydrochloric acid to sodium, if we add sodium hydroxide and HCl, it will form sodium chloride, in which hydrochloric acid का chloric we will take, and sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide का sodium. So it will form sodium chloride, and water H2O. Now I am telling you some properties of salt. They are soluble in water. They help in conduction of electricity. They have tendency to absorb moisture from nature. They have high melting and boiling temperatures. They are used in different purposes. Our body requires many salt, like salt of chloride, sulfate, bicarbonate, phosphates, calcium, magnesium, sodium, and potassium. They are mainly used in these things, I'll tell you. In our part of food, it is used in preparing hydrochloric acid, caustic soda, baking soda, and washing soda. These are used in making soap. They are used in make preserving pickles, meat, and fish. They fire extinguisher use washing soda to produce carbon dioxide gas, which is also known as neutralization. Salts are used to prepare cement and glass. A salt called potassium alum or fitcurry is used in purification of water. Another salt called plaster of Paris or POP is used in a hospital for plastering and setting broken bones. POP is also used in making statues. A salt of silver is used in developing the photographic films. The photo. So I'll upload the summary and key terms of this video in the end. And yeah, guys, if there is some problem in quality of mic or I have just stopped in between, so please, I'm sorry. Thank you.